Good morning, students. Let us continue from where we have stopped in the previous video, where we have discussed the integration using partial fractions. So the exercise 6C has started, in which first Roman we have finished and the second Roman one problem we have already solved. So let us continue from the second question onwards. Integral dx by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. First of all, 1 is located in the numerator. So the degree of numerator is 1 can be written as x power 0. So the degree of numerator is 0. Degree of denominator x into x into x, x cube. Degree of denominator is 3. 0 is less than 3. Degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x. Therefore, this is a proper fraction. And the concept of partial fractions is applicable for proper fraction. Furthermore, the denominator contains x, x plus 1, x plus 2, 3 non-repeated linear factors. For every non-repeated linear factor, there corresponds to a partial fraction of the form a by ax plus b type 1. So, first let us consider this. Consider 1 by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. A by x plus b by x plus 1 plus c by x plus 2. So on finding the LCM, x into x plus 1 into x plus 2, this by x, so x gets cancelled, a into this, a into x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into this by x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1 gets cancelled, x into x plus 2 into b, so bx into x plus 2 plus c into x plus 1. This is equals to 1 by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. So these denominators on both the sides gets cancelled. Therefore, we are left with 1 is equals to a into x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus bx into x plus 2 plus cx into x plus 1. Now, there are 3 factors, equate them to 0, then x equals to 0, x equals to minus 1, x equals to minus 2, or the roots or solutions we are going to get. And as far as roots or solution are concerned, they have to satisfy the given equation. In that way, we will be getting the values of a, b and c. Put x is equals to 0, then we'll get 1 is equals to a into 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 2 is 2. So this is 2a is equals to 1. From this, a is equals to half. Likewise, put x is equals to minus 1, 1 is equals to, on substituting this minus 1 here, minus 1 plus 1, 0 into something 0, last minus 1 plus 1, 0 into something 0. So we are only left with the middle term, b into, the value of x is minus 1, this is minus 1 plus 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So therefore, b is equals to minus 1. Put x is equals to minus 2. So 1 is equals to minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. We are only left with the last term, c into, the value of x is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. The value of x is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So this is minus into minus plus 2c is equals to 1, c is equals to half. So these are the values of a, b and c we are getting. So now let us replace a is equals to 1 by 2, b equals to minus 1, c is equals to 1 by 2 here. So a is equals to 1 by 2 by x, 1 by 2 into x, because a by b by c is a by bc, 1 by 2 by x, 1 by 2x. B value is minus 1 by x plus 1, and the value of c is 1 by 2 by x plus 2. This is 1 by 2 into x plus 2. So I am rubbing this. Now integral 1 by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. This is equals to integral of 1 by 2x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x plus 2 whole dx. So integral dx. So 1 by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 is replaced as this. Now integral is distributed among these three terms. So 1 by 2 being a constant, let us separate it from the process of integration. 1 by 2 integral 1 by x dx minus integral 1 by x plus 1 dx plus 1 by 2 integral 1 by x plus 2 dx. So 1 by 2 integral 1 by x dx is log modulus of x minus this is log modulus of x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 log modulus of x plus 2 plus constant of integration c. Integral of 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 x plus 2 x minus 3. So first let us consider this. Consider 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 x plus 2 x minus 3. This is equals to, the denominator contains three non-repeated linear factors. For every non-repeated linear factor there exists a partial fraction of the form a by x minus 1, b by x plus 2, c by x minus 3, where a, b, c are the values to be evaluated, and x is equals to 1 we are going to take, x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 3. So a by x minus 1, b by x plus 2, c by x minus 3. Now on finding the LCM we will get x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. So this by x minus 1, these two gets cancelled, we are left with x plus 2 into x minus 3 into a. So a into x plus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into, these two gets cancelled, x minus 1 into x minus 3, x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x plus 2, x minus 1 into x plus 2. This is equals to 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. So the denominator on both the sides gets cancelled. So therefore 3x minus 2 is equals to a into x plus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x plus 2. Put x is equals to 1, substitute 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. So a into 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, and the remaining these two terms will be 0, because 1 if you substitute here, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into the whole will be 0, here also 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into c into x plus 2 is 0. So this is a is equals to 3 2s are minus 6, so minus 1 by 6 we got. Put x is equals to minus 2 here, substitute 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus 2 minus 8. This is minus 2 plus 2 0, last term also minus 2 plus 2 0. We are left with the middle term. So b into, the value of x is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. So b value is equals to minus on both the sides gets cancelled. 8 minus 8 by, we are left with the minus here, 3 5s are 15. So this is one value. Put x is equals to 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. So this is, on substituting 3 here it will be 0. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So we are left with the last term c into 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So from this c is equals to 7 by 2 5s are 15. 2 5s are 10. So these are the values that we have obtained. Now, so this I am erasing. So here the value of a is minus 1 by 6 by x minus 1. 6 into x minus 1. B value is minus 8 by 15 by x plus 2 into x plus 2, because a by b by c, a by bc. C value is 7 by 10 by x minus 3 is 7 by 10 into x minus 3. So this is what we have got. Now let us integrate. Integral of 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 x plus 2 into x minus 3 dx. So integral dx I have written the same. 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. So this value I am replacing it with this. This is minus 1 by 6 into x minus 1 minus 8 by 15 into x plus 2 plus 7 by 10 into x minus 3 whole dx. So this integral is distributed among these three terms. Here minus 1 by 6 is constant, separated from the process of integration. Integral 1 by x minus 1 dx minus 8 by 15 integral 1 by x plus 2 dx 7 by 10 integral 1 by x minus 3 dx minus 1 by 6 integral 1 by x dx is log mod x. So integral 1 by x minus 1 dx is log mod x minus 1 minus 8 by 15 log modulus of x plus 2 plus 7 by 10 log modulus of x minus 3 plus constant of integration c. Integral of 7x minus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 dx. So this is a proper fraction with the degree of numerator to be 1 and degree of denominator is x square into x cube. Furthermore, the denominator contains repeated linear factor. X minus 1 has been repeated twice. X plus 2 is a non-repeated linear factor. Therefore, the denominator is the combination of type 1 and type 2. So let us first consider 7x minus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. A by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x plus 2. So the LCM is x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. So x minus 1 whole square by x minus 1 is x minus 1 into x plus 2 into a. So a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into this by this, these two gets cancelled. X plus 2 into b is b into x plus 2 plus c into this by this, x plus 2 gets cancelled, x minus 1 whole square into c. So c into x minus 1 whole square. This is equals to 7x minus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. So these denominators on both the sides gets cancelled. So we are left with this. Now x minus 1 and x plus 2 are the factors. So on equating them to 0, so x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 2 are the roots or solutions we are going to get. So substituting them, put that x is equals to 1 implies 7 ones are 7, 7 minus 4 is 3. So 1 we substitute here, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0 square into c is 0. So we are only left with the middle term, b into x value is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3b equals to 3, b equals to 1. Put x is equals to minus 2 now. So 7 into minus 2 is minus 14 minus 4 minus 18 is equals to minus 2. When we substitute here, it will be 0. Here also it will be 0. We are only left with the last term, c into the value of x is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square is 9. So 9a is equals to minus 18, c is equals to minus 2. And now let us compare the coefficients. Comparing the coefficients of x square on both sides. So we don't have any x square term in the LHS, therefore its quotient is 0. So x into x is x square quotient is a, and the remaining terms are x and constants. So we will ignore it. Here also x and constants only we are going to get here, therefore here also we are ignoring. X minus 1 whole square, x square minus 2x plus 1, minus 2x plus 1 is x coefficient and constant, we are ignoring them. So x square quotient is c here. So from this a is equals to minus c. So a is equals to minus of minus is plus 2. So we have got all these values. Now let us substitute the values of a, b, c here. So the value of a is 2 here. The value of b is 1 here. And the value of c is minus 2. So I am rubbing this. So this is what we have got now. Now integrate on both the sides. 7x minus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 dx. So this is equals to integral of 2 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square minus 2 by x plus 2 whole dx. So 2 I will separate it from the process of integration, x minus 1 dx plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square dx minus 2 integral 1 by x plus 2 dx. So 2 integral 1 by x dx is log mod x. So this is log modulus of x minus 1. Integral 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. So therefore this is minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 into log x plus 2 plus constant of integration c. So let us discuss the first problem from third Roman. Integral 1 by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. So the same question you can see in the chapter partial fractions which we have recently completed. So everything whatever we have done before in the chapter of partial fractions is same everywhere, and the last step we have to integrate. Okay, so let us do this. So first consider 1 by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. Now the denominator contains 3 non-repeated linear factors. For every non-repeated linear factor there corresponds to a partial fraction of the form a by x minus a plus capital B by x minus b plus capital C by x minus c, where a, b, c are to be evaluated. How do we evaluate? Substituting x equals to a, x equals to b and x equals to c. So this is a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c. So this implies 1 is equals to a into x minus b into x minus c plus b into x minus a into x minus c plus c into x minus a into x minus b by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c 1 by this. So these denominators on both the sides gets cancelled. After cancelling we get this. Now put x is equals to a implies 1 is equals to a into, in the place of x substitute a, so a minus b into a minus c. So a on substituting here, a minus a is 0, 0 into this 0, here also it will be 0. So we are only left with this first term only. From this a is equals to 1 by a minus b into a minus c. Similarly, b is equals to, we will be getting 1 by b minus a into b minus c, because earlier, so to obtain the value of a, we only have this, these two gets cancelled. So a minus b into a minus c. So in the same way, b, small x is equals to b if you substitute, x equals to b if you substitute, then this and this will be 0, because b is present here, b minus b is 0, small b is present here. So we are only left with this. So b minus a into b minus c. If you want further clarity, you may refer the question in the partial fractions chapter. And c is equals to 1 by c minus a into c minus b. Now, so these are the values that we have obtained. So now let us substitute a, b, c here. So I am rubbing this. So this is equals to, the value of a is this, by x minus a. So 1 by a minus b into a minus c. The value of a is 1 by a minus b into a minus c by x minus a. A by b by c is a by bc. So into x minus a it will be plus the value of b is this we have got. So 1 by b minus a, b minus c into x minus b is there, plus the value of c is 1 by c minus a into c minus b into x minus c. So this is what we have obtained. Now let us integrating on both sides. Integral of dx. So integral of dx. So this integral dx is distributed among these three terms. So this is 1 by a minus b into a minus c. Since this is a constant, I have separated this from the process of integration, and we are left with integral 1 by x minus a dx plus 1 by b minus a into b minus c into integral 1 by x minus b dx plus 1 by c minus a into c minus b integral 1 by x minus c dx. So this is equals to 1 by a minus b into a minus c. Integral 1 by x dx is log mod x. So integral 1 by x minus a dx is log mod x minus a. So this is log mod x minus a plus 1 by b minus a into b minus c into log mod x minus b plus 1 by c minus a into c minus b into log modulus of x minus c plus constant of integration c dash, because c is already existed here. Therefore, to avoid confusion, I have used another c dash here. 2x plus 3 by x plus 3 into x square plus 4 dx. So here this is a proper fraction with the numerator's degree is 1 and denominator's degree is 3. So the denominator contains non-repeated linear factor and x square plus 4 is a quadratic factor. Which quadratic factor? Reducible or irreducible? Had it been x square minus 4, it would have been written x plus 2 into x minus 2. But the case is different here, x square plus 4. So if you take b square minus 4ac, ax square plus bx plus c is this, ax square, x square quotient small a is 1, b, we don't have x term, so b is equals to 0, c is equals to 4 constant. So b square minus 4ac, b means 0, 0 square minus 4 into 1 into 4. So minus 16 is obviously less than 0, therefore this is a quadratic factor, irreducible quadratic factor, the quadratic factor which doesn't have any real roots. So this is a non-repeated linear factor type 1, this is an irreducible quadratic factor type 3. So the partial fractions for which is 2x plus 3 by x plus 3 into x square plus 4, this is equals to a by x plus 3 type 1. So bx plus c by x square plus 4 is type 3. So this is a into x square plus 4, bx plus c into x plus 3 is equals to 2x plus 3. So the denominator on both the sides gets cancelled. Now put x is equals to minus 3. Since x plus 3 is a factor, x is equals to minus 3 is a root. So 2 minus 3 is minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. So a into minus 3 square, 9 plus 4, 13. So from this a is equals to minus 3 by 13. Now we don't have something to substitute for x because x plus 3 is the only linear factor. Now let us compare the coefficients of x square, x constant on both the sides. Comparing the coefficients of x square on both sides. So we don't have x square term in the LHS, so x square coefficient is 0. So here x square coefficient is a, bx into x, bx square quotient is b. So a plus b equals to 0, b is equals to minus a. So from this b is equals to minus of minus 3 by 13 is plus 3 by 13. Now comparing constant on both sides. So therefore constant is 3 in the LHS. 4 into a, 4a. This is 3 into c, 3c. So 3 minus 4a is equals to 3c. So 3 minus 4 into the value of a is minus 3 by 13 is equals to 3c. So this is 3 plus 4 3s are 12 by 13 is equals to 3c. 13 3s 20, 39, 39 plus 12, 51. So 3c is equals to 51 by 13. Therefore c is equals to 51 by 13 3s 26. So here the value of a is minus 3 by 13 into x plus 3 plus bx plus c. B value is 3 by 13 x plus c value is 51 by 26 by x square plus 4. So I'm dropping this. Now take the integration on both the sides. 2x plus 3 by x plus 3 into x square plus 4 dx is equals to integral of minus 3 by 13 into x plus 3 plus 3 by 13 x plus 51 by 26 by x square plus 4 dx. Minus 3 by 13 I have separated from the process of integration. 1 by x plus 3 dx plus 3 by 13. So this is a plus b by c. A by c plus b by c. Integral dx is distributed for both of them. So integral x by x square plus 4 dx plus 51 by 26 integral 1 by x square plus 4 dx. So this is minus 3 by 13 1 by x plus 3 dx plus 3 by 13 x square plus 4's derivative is x square's derivative is 2x. So we only have x here. So we want 2 here. So for which I'll multiply and divide with a 2 without loss of generality. X square plus 4 dx plus 51 by 26 dx by x square plus 4 can be written as x square plus 2 square. Now this is equals to minus 3 by 13. This is of the form integral 1 by x dx. What is integral 1 by x dx? Log mod x. So this is log modulus of x plus 3 plus 3 by 13 to 26. This is x square plus 4's derivative is 2x. So f dash x by f of x is log modulus of f of x plus 51 by 26 into, this is of the form 1 by x square plus a square dx. Integral 1 by x square plus a square dx is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a is 2. Tan inverse x by a, x by 2. So here 3 table, 3 17s, 3 13s. Therefore minus 3 by 13 log x plus 3 plus 3 by 26 log x square plus 4 plus 17 by 13 to 26 tan inverse x by 2 plus constant of integration c. So the formulas used here is integral 1 by x dx is log mod x, f dash x by f of x, integral f dash x by f of x is log mod f of x, log mod f of x. This is the result, and this is 1 by x square plus a square. Integral 1 by x square plus a square dx is 1 by a tan inverse x by a, x by 2 plus constant of integration c.